Okay. Next, box of 1 kg. So is it the same? No, tension is known here, right?
Yes.
So downward force is 1 kg. 1 kg means just G. 1 into G is G. Then it is inclined at 40 degrees. Box is kept in equilibrium. Point of moving up the plane. So box is trying to move upwards. So motion is upwards. Okay. So
Yes.
tension will be in what direction? Tension will be in downward direction, right?
Yes.
Then normal reaction will be like this. Any other force acting? Tension is 10. Yeah, that's it. Mu. So find mu, he is telling. You have to find the value of mu. Ready?
Yes.
So this is our x direction. This is our y direction, right? So y direction, x direction. So sigma y. So what is this for value? This angle is 40 degrees. Correct? So that angle is 40 degrees. Then take all the vertical components. Reaction will also be upwards, and because it is in limiting equilibrium, here it's telling limiting equilibrium, so this friction will be mu times r. So y components, r is positive because it is acting in positive x direction, it is positive. Then minus g into cos 40, this will act downwards. Component of 10 newtons will act upward direction, so plus, and the component is 10 times sine 20. So others are parallel to x, so no components. Write equation of r, that is g cos 40 plus 10 sine 20. So all values are known here. We can find it, calculate it. So g is 9.81 cos 40 plus 10 sine 20. So 10.94
Yes.
newtons. Then x components, take all the x components. So let's do that here. Okay. Okay. X components. So first let us take 10 cos 20. It is in positive x direction. So plus g into sine 40. This will be in negative x direction. So minus. Then mu r is also in negative x direction. So minus. Total should be 0. R value is known. Let us substitute it. Mu is the only unknown. So we have to find it. So 10 cos 20 minus 9.81 sine 40. This term, take it to the other side, divided by r will give us value of mu. R value we know, we can substitute from here. Substitute. So mu value is how much? This value 10 cos 20 minus 9.81 sine 40. Did you get it? Correct?